In class, we've been talking about different quadrilaterals, and we have talked about the different attributes that they have, and we've talked about how a square has sides that are all the same length or they are congruent. A rhombus also has congruent sides, and a rectangle has its adjacent sides are congruent of each other, but they're not all congruent. So this week we're tying that into perimeter and talking about different ways to solve for perimeter when we know the attributes of a quadrilateral. So here we have a square again. So perimeter is equal to the linear measurement around the rim of the space. So perimeter basically is all four sides added up. But we are focusing this week on, because we know that on a square all sides are congruent, we can say that the perimeter is 4 times whatever the length of that side is. And that the same would be true on a rhombus because it also has congruent sides. So 4 times the measurement of the one side there as well. And then for a rectangle, we would say 2 times this side, and then we would add that to 2 of the other side. So let's say that for our square, each of these sides is equal to 4. So we would say 4 times 4 equals 16 units. For the perimeter. If on the rhombus our sides were equal to 3, would have 4 times 3 or 12 units. And then on our rectangle, if this side is 6 and this side is 3, then we'd have 2 times 6 plus 2 times 3, which would then in turn be 12 plus 6 equals 18 units. So again, we're tying in what we know about the attributes of different shapes that we've been talking about, and we are tying them into how to solve perimeter in a more efficient way.